Hey guys, in this video, we're going to look how to get the customer data such as name, email, and the phone number, etc. from the customer while talking to the voice agent and save it into the CRM such as Airtable or any other database. So without any further ado, let's get to the video. So first things first, create an agent. Click create button. I'm just going with this template. Create an agent and do the basic prompt here. And then go to tools. So this is where we create tools. Tools is nothing but it is used to pass the data from the voice agent to any other server. So basically automation. So we'll be updating those data into a CRM or Airtable kind of stuff. So just give it as customer data. So it's basically a title, and the parameters is nothing but what are the data we should pass. So we could click add property and give it a name such as name and describe the data type. So whether if it is a number, if it is number or boolean such as zeros or one, give it as boolean, and also describe few words to it so that AI could understand what it really is. So if you type it as name, just say it as this is the name of the customer. So basically, and also so after that, click required so that the assistant won't end up the call without getting this data. So that's it, guys. I just gave the name first itself. So you can see it here, the name of the customer. I gave it as required. So basically, the assistant will get the name, time, date, email, and service type. So in this example, we are building a voice agent for car company, such as a car detailing company. So yeah, we'll book a service to it. So after you created the two calls, click save and make sure you update this into the assistant. So go to assistant and you can simply go to tools and then select tools. You will see the tools which you have created and click the customer data and then publish. Yeah, published. So after this, you should get the code of this assistant. As I said in the last video, we should go to get assistant in the VAPI assistant. VAPI docs. Then go to API reference and give the private API key and the assistant ID of the assistant which I have created right now. And then send code. You will get the code and go to JSON editor. So these are the basic steps we should do to get a transient agent, which I have covered in the last video. So if you didn't watch the video, please go watch and come so that you don't want to collapse by random things. So remove the unwanted things and your assistant is good to go. So I just pasted here. So so in the make.com, go to, after you created the assistant, you can go to make.com and click webbook, copy this webbook and go to numbers. So this is the number I'm going to use. So paste it here in server URL and just click save and create a response webbook. Paste the entire code here, click save, and then go to click add table, create a record. So click here and you can see add table. You can just type it as add table and click create a record. So just create it here, create a record, and then you should actually first create an Airtable account and then create a database. So basically you'll end up like this. The AI will simply ask, shall I create a table for you? You can just give it as, no, I could build this from scratch. And then create a database for name, email, service, date, and time. So basically for email, you can choose here itself. So this is the name of the field and this is the type of the field. So if you want to give us email, you can just email, you can just pick like this. So let's see, so this is empty. When I talk to the agent, it should be filled with the data. So it's empty right now. And for connecting the Airtable and also the make.com, that is to connect this module and with this account, you should go over to this profile and then click build a hub. So in Builder Hub, click Personal Access Tokens. So you'll get this page right here. Click Create Token, give it a name, and give the scope. That is, what are the things your API key should give and take. So basically, give all these data. So we are just making for. But when you're moving to production, make sure that you only give the required scope. So basically, if you want to write the data in the database, you can give it as write. That is created it. But if you just want to see that, just click the C. Okay, don't give the API keys unwanted scopes. So add the base. You can add here, and then after you're giving your scope, you can just click create token and use it and create token, and then come here. You can basically add the token. You could just click add, then connection type, and not OAuth, it's token or key. You can give it here. You can give your API token here and click save. I basically already have this, so I'm not going to do that. So yeah, so you'll be getting the data, that is name, email. So basically these fields. So yeah, copy paste that. So it will be empty right here. So you won't be seeing this. Let me just do this again. Save. Yeah. So it's completely empty. So the air table is empty. My assistant will take the call, but the air table is empty. So let's call the assistant.
Thank you for using your demo account. Please upgrade to a full account to remove this message. You have a trial account. You can remove this message at any time by upgrading to a full.
What's up, bro? How can I help you today?
I just want to.
Hi there.
Yeah. So how are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How can I assist you with your vehicle today?
I just need a book general cleaning service like interior cleaning. And my name is Sanjay. My mail is sanjayv@gmail.com. And the preferred date is 10/10/2025 and 12 a.m.
Great, Sanjay. I've got your detail.
So basically cut this, go over here, and you will see this tool calls ID. So yeah, tool calls. So after you, I can remote, okay. So after you get the tool calls, go over, double click add table, and you will see all the tool calls, that is the data which you have set. So Sanjay, time, like it's just, I just said it so fast that it couldn't even handle. Wait, I think I told 12 p.m. Maybe it just gave it us like that. Right, we'll just try again, but for the namesake, I just mapping the data. Service type, okay. So yeah, so like this, you can map this, but only in tool calls. So if you get end of call report, you couldn't map this. If you get assistant request, you cannot map this. Should get the tool calls. So after you set these details to the assistant, come over to the make instantly so that you don't miss the tool calls. So click save and click save here, then come back. So let me go to the add table. Okay, let's try again, guys.
This message. You have a trial account. You can remove this message at any time by upgrading to a full account. Press any key to execute your code.
What's up, bro? How can I help you today?
So my name is Sanjay, and I need a interior cleaning. And my email ID is sanjay@gmail.com. And I need a service on 10/10/2025 at 9 a.m.
Thank you, Sanjay. So you've booked an interior cleaning for October 10th, 2025 at 9 a.m. And I've got your email as sanjay@gmail.com. Would you like us to come to your...
So this is all, guys. So this is how we could get the data from the voice agent and pass it to the, save it in the CRM. So we could use Airtable, Google Sheet, it doesn't matter. And yeah, in next video, we'll see how to make the assistant to able to talk with this data. So if a user call again and ask the AI agent, the voice agent, to book at the same time, it doesn't know that thing. And the second customer asks the voice agent to book the same time, so it doesn't know that. So in next video we'll see how to do that. And yeah, see you in next video. Bye.